Vanessa Hunter with Belden. I'm an Associate Product Line Manager here at NAB. And Belden, of course, has been around for many, many years in the broadcast world, and I would like to introduce you to some of our new products and our featured products here at NAB this week. So to start off here, we have our Belden broadcast panels. A couple new ones we have this week are our new 9-port HMD SMPTE panels and our fabulous new fiber ST panels. So we make these in various colors, you can see here, and we also have some of our DT12s and RJ45s along with our ECX solution. Some other things we have here new this year at NAB is our flexible 4K Coax. You can pick this up at any of our Belden distributors. And some other products we have are our Fiber Fusion Splice and our fabulous REVConnect for enterprise connectivity line. And then we also have some more panels down at the end there and some fiber assemblies and along with some other audio assemblies. So we are here at Belden NAB booth SL1006. If you're interested, come visit us. And you can find more information online at belden.com and through Markertek's website.